Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 2 takes on Apple Watch with two new models. The Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 2 lineup is growing. The Galaxy Watch Active 2 lineup is growing. Samsung has added two new models of its most recently released wearable to take on the Apple Watch in the ongoing battle of the best smartwatches. Samsung's Galaxy Watch Active 2 LTE aluminum model and Galaxy Watch Active 2 Golf Edition expand the company's current offerings with specialty designs. Both launched exclusively in South Korea, but there's a chance they'll make it Europe and the US soon. Have you read our Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra review? Here are the best fitness trackers you can buy. More wearable news: Wear OS to take on Apple Watch in health. As its name suggests, the Galaxy Watch Active 2 Golf Edition is for golfers. While there are a number of dedicated golf watches, like the Garmin Approach S60 and Garmin Approach S20, Samsung's new model simply seems to add golf features to its existing wearable. The Galaxy Watch Active 2 Golf Edition sports a golf shot distance tool and the Smart Caddy, which supports maps of over 40,000 golf courses around the world. It comes in a 44mm aqua black or 40mm pink gold finishes, with the former priced at $325 and latter $295. For reference, those costs are on par with Garmin's mid-range golf wearables. Meanwhile, the Galaxy Watch Active 2 LTE aluminum takes a position against the Apple Watch. It supports phone-free internet connectivity, meaning wearers can make calls and send messages from their wrists. It offers similar aqua black, cloud silver and pink gold colors, and costs $295 for the 40mm version and $325 for the 44mm one. Samsung told the Korea Herald that the Galaxy Watch Active 2 Golf Edition model will eventually make its way to the US and UK, while the Galaxy Watch Active 2 LTE aluminum model will come to Europe and select Asian countries. Whether they'll arrive here before the standard Galaxy Watch receives a successor, which could happen at Samsung's next Note event, is unknown.